Hi there, and welcome to today's Quentin Carpenter Nature of Flowers video. Today I'll show you how to make one of these really cool triangle, circle, face flower patterns. Okay, to do this we're going to need multiple layers, and I'll talk you through what goes on each layer as we make it. So, first thing we're going to need to do to build up an image like this is to start with a black background here. Then we'll need to add a circle. We can use the shape tool over here to create a circle. And then we need to add a shape. This is a nonagon, which is a 9-sided shape, so we have that inside the circle. Then we need to add a triangle facing up. Then we need to copy and paste it, rotate it by about 60 degrees. So we've got another triangle facing that way, and another triangle facing that way. And you'll see that all of them match up to create this lovely nonagon style triangle pattern. Once we've done that, we're going to add the fruit flower of life into it. So we're going to have this design here, which is going to be in bright, and this design, which is going to be slightly less bright behind that. Then we're going to place a picture of a face over the top, and you'll notice here that we've used the opacity to make it fit with the image. And then last but not least, we are going to add in a flower, and again we're going to use the opacity to make it fade into the image. And then we have a sort of double exposure flower face, and we have the geometric patterns as well, which I think is a really lovely design and should look really cool. Okay, thanks for watching, and enjoy making your own versions of these geometric flower face pattern, triangle, circle shapes. You name it, what it is. Okay, thanks for watching. Obviously, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button over on Quentin Carpenter Nature of Flowers. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Goodbye.